Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 Play Store not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here click on Google Play Store. Now after opening Play Store, force stop the Play Store app and here click on OK to confirm, and then open its storage and after that clear the app data and cache memory of Play Store app. Now click on delete to confirm and go back to apps, and on the top click on this filter icon. Now turn on show system apps and click on OK. Now scroll down and here click on download manager. Now go to the storage of download manager. Now here clear the app data and cache memory of download manager.